Bestie from Crochet Crochic, and today we are going to learn how to make the slip knot in 4 different ways so that you can start with your crochet project. Enjoy! Any crochet or knit project that you start with a slip knot. There are many different ways into making a slip knot. I'm going to show you 4 different ways today. You will have to try them and see which one you are most comfortable with and which one feels the easiest for you. The first one is where you drape your yarn over your fingers like this. You take your working yarn and you wrap it around your 2 fingers. You pinch it over there. You take this tail, you put it between your 2 fingers and you grab hold of your yarn. Now this yarn that's over your middle finger, you're just going to slide that off, making sure that you hold on to the yarn that's on your index finger and you pull tight. There's your first slip knot. I'm going to repeat it. You put your tail over your 4 fingers. You wrap your yarn over your 2 fingers. You pinch the yarn over there. Take the tail, put it between your 2 fingers and grab hold of the yarn. Now the piece that's over your index finger, you just slide that off, holding on to the piece that's on your index finger, and you pull tight. There's your first slip knot. From this you can work all your stitches. The second way is if you hold the yarn in your hand and you take the tail and you pinch it this side with your thumb and your middle finger. Now you make sure that that is nice and secure. Put your hook underneath from the back, under that yarn. You turn your hook once around. You take this tail into the right hand and you simply yarn over and pull it through the loop that's on your hook. There's your slip knot. I'll do it again. You simply place the yarn into your hand like this. You pinch the yarn there and you hold on to it. Put your hook from behind underneath. Turn once to make a knot. Take the tail into the right hand and simply start making a yarn over and pull it through the loop that's on your hook. The third way is you drape the yarn, the tail, over your 4 fingers and you wrap twice around your index finger. Grab hold of both the strands, the tail and the working yarn, and then the one on the left you put over the one on the right. The one on the left you take it over and drop it off your finger. I'll do it again. You take your tail, you put it over your 4 fingers, wrap twice around your index finger and grab hold of both your working and your tail yarn. Then you take your left side, put it over your right, and take your left and take it over your right and throw it off your finger. Here's your slip knot. The last way of making a slip knot, you drape the tail over your 4 fingers, wrap it around 2 of your fingers and pinch it over there where they cross. Then you take the circle off your fingers and from behind you grab the yarn that's at the back and you pull it through that circle that you see and you pull tight. There's your slip knot. I'll do it again. You drape your yarn, your tail, over your fingers. You wrap around 2 of your fingers and you pinch it where they cross. Take the circle off your fingers and you push through the yarn that's at the back through that circle. Grab hold of it, grab hold of your tail and your yarn and pull tight. Here's your slip knot. From here you start any of your crochet projects. The slip knot needs to be here on your shaft of your crochet hook, because that's the thickest part of your crochet hook, instead of on the neck. If you make it tight and you bring it up to the front of your hook, it becomes too tight to work. So it's best that it glides over your crochet hook. If you found this video useful, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel.